The LG V20 system, and today I'm making a video about the Moto G stylus or Metro by T-Mobile. So now Metro by T-Mobile has the Moto G stylus, which is really cool. This is a major I'm trying with the stylus pen. So that is pretty cool there. So that's the front there in front of you. Very nice phone. So the specs on this phone, like I said, this is a bigger than smartphone, but the specs on the phone are pretty good for what it is. So you have a 6.4-inch Full HD Plus display, a 48 megapixel triple camera system, 48 megapixel triple camera system on the back, and 128 gigabytes of storage. Alright. So that's the phone right there. The phone is $239.99, so not too bad. It's like $60 cheaper than the unlocked version of this phone, so that's pretty cool. So for $240, this is worth it. So that's the phone. So you guys have the whole punch for the front-facing camera. Power button on the right side, volume button on the right side as well. Let's take this thing for a spin. There's the right side of the phone right there. Power and volume keys. On the back of the G stylus, you guys will have you guys will have 4 cameras there. One is a main camera, one's an action camera, one's an ultra wide camera and stuff like that. And you also have your fingerprint sensor on the back right here. Camera flash, of course. So yeah. So pretty cool there. It's available on this can't tell color yet. I think it's black. Black or blue. One of the 2 colors. There's the left side of the phone right there. I think your SIM card slot is on the left side of the phone, I think. That's the front of the phone again. There's the top of it. You have a noise-cancellation microphone on top of the roof. And then you put it down to the bottom of the phone, you also have the Type-C charging port, headphone jack, speaker, and the stylus pen. Alright, so pretty cool. So as I said, with its 48 megapixel AI powered triple camera system, with its G stylus captures outstanding shots in every situation. Sharper, brighter, low light photos with a 48 megapixel main sensor featuring night vision, thrilling ultra-wide action videos, and incredibly detailed close-up shots up to 78 degrees away. Want to edit your photos with pinpoint precision? Slide out the stylus to retouch an image or jot down a note. View it all in a 6.4-inch Max Vision Full HD Plus display and enjoy dual stage speakers tuned by Adobe. All this along with up to 2 days of battery life, turbo power charging, lightning fast performance, and 128 gigabytes of storage. Moto G stylus U plus perfection. So, like I said, great specs for the phone. This is a better than smartphone. So, yeah. So, like I said before, you have a 48 megapixel triple camera system on the back, built-in stylus pen, of course, ultra responsive performance, and 128 gigabytes of storage, up to 2 days of battery life, plus triple power charging, Max Vision display, and Dolby audio. And it says that price could vary in store, so it's $239.99 on the website here. But if you guys want to get it on the store, check what your local Metro by T-Mobile store first before you get the phone. You can get this phone for free. If you want to get the Moto G stylus for free, you guys want to go to a Metro store and switch over to Metro. So they keep it in mind. So that's a pretty cool offer right there. So 48 megapixel triple camera system to get the perfect shot every time. Max Vision display plus Dolby audio for the best media experience. Ultra responsive performance with 128 gigabytes of storage, built-in stylus for precision editing there. So pretty cool. Best-in-class cameras at your fingertips. Capture outstanding shots in any situation, even at night, with the 48 megapixel triple camera system. And with the action cam, you can shoot videos vertically and play them back horizontally, always on point. The built-in stylus lets you edit photos, jot notes, sketch freely, and experience finer control with everyday tasks. Speed for today, storage for tomorrow. Enjoy ultra-responsive performance and feel the blazing speed of an octa-core processor. And with 128 gigabytes of storage, you will never have to worry about space again. The Moto G stylus comes with this Metro Play thing from Metro by T-Mobile, and if you guys don't know what it is, here is a quick summary over here. It says get more from your new phone with Metro Play. This phone includes Metro Play, an app offering creative content from over 60 of today's most popular channels, all for free. Just swipe right from the home screen and tap the Metro Play tab at the top. So pretty cool. Specs on this one, like I said, they're really good. This is a mid-range smartphone. So you get 128 gigabytes of storage to use, but you get about 111 gigabytes available to use, so that's not bad. It's pretty good. You also have a micro SD card as well to use as well. 6.4 inch 4K plus night vision display, 48 megapixel triple camera system plus a 16 megapixel front-facing camera. Like I said, you do have a micro SD card slot up to 512 gigabytes with a hotspot, 30 hours of talk time, Android 10, 2 gigahertz octa-core Snapdragon processor. I forgot the Snapdragon processor that it uses. Thanks to 700 series, I think. The Moto G stylus weighs 6.63 ounces. So, you know. And this is something about battery. I think it's a 4,000 milliamp battery on this phone here. So not too bad. There are your accessories for the Moto G stylus. If you guys want to get more accessories, go to Amazon and type in Moto G stylus, alright? So, there you guys have the Moto G stylus. Is now at Metro by T-Mobile. It's available now for $239.99. It's worth picking up. So if you guys want a mid-range smartphone with a stylus pen, the Moto G stylus is worth checking out. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, you guys. It will help me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.